Hello and welcome to Foetron Cloud Academy. Today I'm going to teach you how to book a room for your meeting in your office amongst the rooms which are available in your office. So how do we do that? First we need to go to our Outlook. Then we go to the calendar tab here. Then when the calendar tab opens, here in the new meetings tab we click, and as you can see a new window is open. So here in location, first of all you can browse for rooms. So I have two places available in my office as of now, which is the managed service room where I sit, and there's the conference room. So I want to book a conference room for the meeting I want to have. So I click on the conference room, okay, and then subject like test meeting, right? And in the start time, I give the date. I want to hold it on 26th, that is a Sunday, and at around 9 a.m. to whatever the end time will be. So let's say 11 a.m. Okay. So, and in the to row, you can also add people whom we want to invite to in the meeting. For example, I want to invite Shashank. I want to invite Neha, and I want to invite Swati. And then I hit send. So once you hit send, in the calendar you can see on Sunday, right? I have booked a conference room. I am the organizer of the conference room, and this is test meeting. So you can see here on the calendar which has been booked here. So this was all for today in the video. Stay tuned on Foetron Cloud Academy for more such videos. Thank you.